Welcome everyone. Today we've got Lord Dread, his Interlocker throne. It's one of the toys to fight the TV with. You could, even though fighting against him, it still, the battery compartment does have a tendency to fall off because I noticed it's missing that piece. So I think that's what was locking it in, or actually this thing's probably broken. That's broken right there. So okay, so I'm gonna leave that over there gently. And I will, as you can see, there was some pretty good battery acid damage there. I did pull out a set of 40-year-old batteries when I cracked it open. They were, you could tell they were Energizer, but that's about all you could see on them. They were very, very rough. It had the, I'm not gonna be able to show this, but you would look through here, and this was a sight, supposedly, so you could shoot the TV. Here's I don't even, where's the, I guess, okay, yeah, there's your trigger button, as it were. And this one would tell the score, and this one had the digital readout, the LED readout for the score. And it would also get, I think it gave you a target lock symbol when you were on target. Like I say, that would pop the score up and it would read out on here. It didn't have to wait for it to beep like it did on Captain Power's thing. It also had the, for lack of a better term, ejector seat. Whenever you lost all your life points, this one. And that thing comes off a lot. I'm surprised I didn't have some way to at least secure it down into its little, it's a little wonky. I don't know if it's going to show, but I'm not sure if it's not seated in properly or if it's just, after years it's been, but it's listing. And it's pretty well, but it would, the theory behind this one was you would set it up and you could, rotate and aim it as you're looking through the sights. I only tried it a couple of times. It was terrible because it just you can't move your head back here to aim, even though it was fairly small. We had smaller TV screens back then. Let's say the same basic mechanism on the chair throne thing. Lord Dread and his display out in front. These, I had to have re-glue these mirrors back in place because they keep falling out, and I think there must be, yeah, there's mirrors here and here. It's just a reverse periscope thing going down instead of up, and these mirrors, yeah, are still in place. Let's see, but that's, say, and I do have, the side there. I'll have to I'm gonna probably just have to tape that on. Same thing, but assembly instructions. It doesn't really have any, no tips or tricks or anything on this. Got the, and then that's where you put your stickers on, I guess. And I did have the data card. You can get that with a glare. Mega beam weapon, ejectable throne, anti-gravity boosters, computer view screen, Biodread insignia. I can't even read that on my. Okay. Come on. Interlocker throne is housed within Volcania's throne room. Unit self-propelled hovercraft class unit. Unit contains battlecraft equipment and defense systems. Power generation is from particle beam technology. Systems engineering designed by Lord Dread, aka Dr. Lyman Taggart. The Interlocker throne is a unique creation capable of short-range flight. The throne is a veritable storehouse of firepower. Craft is not used for speed or small encounters where such elements are not essential. Faster speeds require the use of Phantom Striker battlecraft. Defensive system. The Interlocker throne utilizes basic particle beam defense shields technology for defensive maneuvers. Shields will not withstand a full megaton blast. Unit is equipped with massive firepower for its size. The unit has 7 levels of particle beam technology available for use through its blast system. Unit delivers a payload of 100 megatons firepower for needing regeneration. Note, laser guided target system is most sophisticated Design and use by the Biodread Empire. System allows operator to view targets online and maintain viewer digital scoring within target system. Current status: the Interlocker throne is generally not seen except in battles near Volcania. Interlocker is a powerful search and destroy unit. It is only used by Lord Dread himself. All soldiers are advised to steer clear of unit when sighted. High levels of danger for all humans within 50-mile radius of the Interlocker. But let's say that's all for that one, and I'm gonna finish up Captain Power's week with this. Like I said, this was a little more interesting, and you can see where it's got it's got a little crusty on the inside of the lens here, so I'm pretty sure that this is where the batteries are down here. So I'm sure it just outgassed and the acid cracked, corroded all that. I'll tape this back in place and sort of just so it'll be complete somewhat. And but that's going to end up Captain Power Week. I may try another week of sort of obscure stuff next week. I've got something in mind, but they're sort of scattered everywhere. So I may just go back to like G.I. Joe or Masters of the Universe. I'll just have to see how I feel come Sunday evening when I start filming these. But thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because this keep going on for a while yet. And I'll see you next time. Bye.